if y'all been following the markets, today has been absolutely crazy, man. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer. I'm just bringing my experience with the markets to y'all. Now, y'all have to know that none of this is financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence, never risk more than you're willing to lose, and always use proper risk management. So first off, we have our own private investment community called Private Stock Market Game. I need y'all to come jump in the waiting room here. I will be opening the door for this very, very soon. I'm gonna do it all in one day. I'm not gonna be sitting here 3-4 days in a row. So everybody gonna get in on the same day. So make sure you in here. We got over 1,000 people in the waiting room here, as you can see, no cap. So over 5,000 members total in this community. This is a very large investment community. I suggest you do not miss out. I'm giving my free 99 plays, which are basically my free alerts to put y'all on, you know, some plays that, you know, I think might have potential. Y'all could potentially make a bag off of it. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice, but, you know, those are some free plays I'm calling out for y'all. Now, I've been about 96.6% accurate on some of these plays. I gotta, you know, we just threw a couple more plays in there. I believe 2 out of the last 3 plays were successful. So I gotta you know, check that average again. But we doing very well over here. So if y'all been following my plays, y'all see we got people making close to 6 figures in the group off some of these plays. We got people buying cars off these plays. We got people going on vacations off these plays. And y'all know I'm doing my thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So salute to everybody that's rocking with me, all the OGs and all the new subscribers. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't. So also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. For y'all that don't know, this Wednesday I will be on the Jay Gagan show. It's gonna be lit, man. We'll be chopping it up, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know, talking crypto and also covering some technical analysis as well. So I highly suggest y'all to pull up on me for that. That will be Wednesday, 4:30 Pacific Standard Time. So make sure y'all pull up, man. This is going to be lit. I guarantee it. Y'all don't want to miss this. So also come give Jake a follow at Jake Gagan. That's at JAKEGAGAIN. Come follow him, you know what I'm saying? You know, let him know y'all tapping in with him. But yeah, man, we got a lot of new catalysts coming to the channel, man. Also, one of my subscribers will be on potentially next week. That's went from, you know, just learning about crypto, subscribing to the channel, to now doing this full time. So salute to you, bro, man. That's Brandon. Y'all will be hearing from him very, very soon. He has some things to do with the family this week, so we, you know, we plan for next week, but it's gonna be dope nonetheless. So come check out some of those plays that spill over here. Now, y'all know I've been doing my 24-hour price prediction. You know, we got a lot of new major catalysts, things I want to talk about in this video. Now, quickly, we could take a look at the market. We can see Bitcoin is up. Well, the overall market right now is up 1.6%. Bitcoin up 1.7%. Ethereum almost up 1%. Cardano up almost 2.5%. Tether almost up. Tether almost just flat, actually. That's it's pegged to $1. So BNB down 0.3%. Not too bad. 10% for the week though. But you know, XRP down 1%. You know, pretty much we got a lot of green in the market today, you know. And if y'all were watching my video yesterday, I predicted that today would be a red day, honestly. Now y'all see this candle right here. This is, you know, they already got this for the 24th. So CoinMarketCap is already counting the other side of the world, where their time is already in the next day. But we are still here in this day right here, the 23rd. So what happened was we had a major catalyst, if y'all are following. So we already got a lot of good news. Robinhood rolling out the the crypto wallets very soon. They got the wait list open. Y'all know I am on the wait list. I highly suggest y'all to get on that wait list. But I predicted that we would have a red day today. Now, if y'all heard the news, Twitter dropped some major bombshell news that I'll be releasing in this video as well. But that was enough catalyst to push the entire market green. So we'll get into that in 1 second. So what I wanted to cover now, I'll do some technical analysis, another prediction at the end of this video. Remember, these predictions are all for fun. Remember, I always tell y'all this is not financial advice. Don't go making any, you know, decisions in your investment portfolio based on just this video alone. You have to do your own research. This is just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? So this is an article we have from Market Watch. If y'all don't know, I was featured on Market Watch. This is, you know, we're doing real things over here. This channel, you know, my StockGoat University, my company was featured inside of Market Watch, also Yahoo Finance. So you know, tap in with me, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Y'all know we're doing a lot of big things. I'm tapped in with a lot of celebrities. We'll be bringing some of them to the channel as well. You don't want to miss out. We're about to hit 20,000 subscribers. Buckle up, man. So why the debut of tipping Bitcoin on Twitter isn't just about tipping. So this is the major news that Twitter released. You can now tip Bitcoin on Twitter. This is major. Major, y'all. I don't even know if y'all watching this video will understand how big this is, but Twitter accidentally becomes one of the best remitting experiences in the world, says Strike founders Mahlers. Everyone will soon be able to tip Bitcoin on Twitter. So Twitter was up 3.8% today, almost 4%, making the social media platform one of the first major significant companies to offer such a payment feature on its platform. So if y'all were familiar with the Brave token or the Brave browser, they already had integrations on the Twitter platform, you know, for a little bit of time now. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm familiar with it. So, you know, y'all might have seen that. That could have been a hint right there to connect the dots that this was coming, but we didn't connect that right there. That's why I always like to tell y'all connect the dots. So the announcement comes after the site has been testing such a feature for months. Tips will be available for Apple iOS users as soon as this week and will be available for those using Android devices in the coming weeks. So here's a tweet from Jack retweeting saying we're also adding new payment options and for the first time allowing people to send Bitcoin tips through the use of Bitcoin address or Lightning enabled wallet. So that's going to be dope. So it looks like Litecoin will have some participation in this as well. Y'all might want to check out that. So and while the idea of using Bitcoin as a means of payment over Twitter seems like a tiny feather in the cap of Bitcoin enthusiasts, a number of crypto bulls were quick to highlight the significance of the feature on the Jack Dorsey run platform. So MicroStrategy MSTR was up 2.8%, almost 3%. CEO Michael Saylor shared a tweet of the hoodie wearing founder of Strike, Jack Mahlers, who illustrated at least one of the possibilities for Bitcoin tipping on Twitter: remittance payments. So Bitcoin on Lightning is the future of global payments. So this can be big, y'all. This will be, you know what I'm saying, very serious. I highly suggest y'all to dig further into this. So in a nondescript office overlooking the Chicago skyline, Mahlers uses the Twitter tipping function to send Bitcoin to a person he claims is in El Salvador, the country that just made Bitcoin its official tender. So y'all know we have a lot of, you know, catalysts with that, you know, going on as well. So, yo, we're in Chicago. We've got David here in Starbucks in El Salvador. David has a Strike account linked to his Twitter account, and we're going to make a free instant cash final remittance payments on Twitter. That is major. Make a free instant cash final free. This is crazy, y'all. I highly suggest y'all check this out. This is going to be big, and y'all in the stocks as well that are holding on to Twitter, congratulations. So after sending the equivalent of $10 over the app, Mahler says, boom, we just made an instant free remittance payment over Twitter. Why would anyone ever use Western Union again? When you take one of the world's largest social internet, they just changed the game. They just changed the game. So when you take one of the world's largest social internet networks and you combine it with the world's best open monetary networks, Twitter accidentally becomes one of the best remitting experiences in the world. They already have the user base. Everybody already has an account. This is major, y'all. I'm sorry. This is major news. So that's what, you know, pushed the market up. You know, Shib holders are already bullish. We got a lot of, you know, catalysts coming up. We're already expecting that Robinhood wallet. So y'all already loading up the boats. I expect y'all to load up on a little further dip. Maybe the ones that are watching me, y'all waiting to pull that trigger, but I know a lot of people are out there just loading up, and I don't blame y'all. You know, if you can't afford to get, you know, add some more to your position, that's on you. Do your thing. But I like to just get in. You know, I always know there will be another chance to buy at a better position. I've been in the market a lot longer, so I'm not FOMOing to buy at every single price that I see. You know, I like to get the best dips. And if y'all like to get the best dips, the best prices as well, then, you know, continue to rock with me. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. Also, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, man, so they can get this video out there. If you are part of the Shib community, part of the Shib army, and you really are seriously, truly, you know, trying to see this become, you know, the #1 cryptocurrency, or at least in that top 3, then I really need you to share this video with somebody who's not, you know, aware of what's going on right now, or even somebody that is, that might, you know, push the video even further, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime for a lot of people right now, especially as, you know, the price begins to dip right now. There's something that'll happen right now. I'll give you a sneak peek into my prediction. There's something called buy the rumor, sell the news. The news is out today, so y'all can connect the dots on what's going to happen right now. So we'll go to the chart for the technical analysis, though. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel, man. I got y'all messages. Y'all know I always respond to y'all right after the video. Somehow y'all just be, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know when to start sending the messages in, like, you know. Maybe because I ain't dropped yet, but I had a few things to handle today, working on you know, getting these interviews set up. Like I told y'all, next week Wednesday I will be on the Jake Gagan show, so, you know, some behind the scenes things are going on, so y'all just have to be patient with me, and know I'm dropping every single day. We will not be missing a day. So, you know, just come check the channel, refresh, make sure, and if you got the notifications on, you'll get the alert. So Western Union's pawn to E4, your move. Inton's maulers at the end of the video, referencing a common chess opening move in chess. Shareholders of Western Union, however, seem unperturbed with its stock up 1.2% late Thursday. I think that's something that they have to definitely take in mind. They can't ignore that. And now with Twitter doing it, you don't think Facebook's far behind? How far behind do you think Facebook is from allowing that as well? Facebook already has Facebook payments, but you're not allowed to tip, users in crypto. So that's going to be something that's very big. So it's no coincidence that Maulers is championing the Twitter feature. The social media platform is using his Strike network to facilitate tipping. So of course, using Strike, a lot of y'all that are entrepreneurs, do online sales or have an online store, y'all are familiar with these people. But the Chicago-based startup that Maulers launched along with his parent company, Zap Technology, is also known for helping El Salvador adopt Bitcoin. So Dorsey, for his part, has also been a staunch supporter of crypto and runs Square Inc. Square up 2.1%, which features crypto on its platform. So Twitter also said it's aiming to offer a feature that would allow users to authenticate non-fungible tokens or NFTs on its platform. That's going to be dope. I'm telling y'all, man, Twitter is moving. I would definitely be looking for a red day on Twitter if y'all are still trading those options. And it's time to start loading up those calls, Y'all know what time it is. So, but overall, tipping in Bitcoin seems unlikely to gain much traction on Twitter outside of remittance transfers. Bitcoin, the world's #1 crypto by market value, has come to be seen as a store of value and has gained notoriety for its gut-wrenching price swings. So Bitcoin is just the first one that they're using, or they did it with, the Brave token. Now Bitcoin, that's just the first major one that they're using. So we'll soon see, all the other tokens as well, be implemented. So, eventually maybe Shib will be able to, have a potential use case through this. So this is going to be crazy. So I could predict right now that eventually we will be able to tip creators or tip, users on Twitter in Shib. That's going to be, major. Connect the dots. We could wait for them to announce that, but, why not connect the dots and see where the market is already going? That's what we like to do as Fortune 500 marketers. So I like to have y'all think as a Fortune 500 marketer too, to see where the market is going. So that way you can position yourself in a favorable position to make even more money. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can come check this article out. We got another article. So investorplace.com, it says, will Robinhood list Shiba Inu? 185,000 people hope so. So as Shib crypto rallies, so Shiba Inu fans are some of the most vocal of the crypto bulls. The ecosystem and its developers have managed to capture a very tight-knit community of investors. The investors oftentimes take to Twitter to promote their favorite token. They also demand listing on increasingly popular trading platforms and respond to naysayers. Now they're looking to build enough support to rally Robinhood for a Shib crypto listing. The Shib token is one that most crypto investors are familiar with, if not for its actual functionality, then for its following. Constant social media promotion. It's impossible to miss the fans who churn out updates on their beloved crypto through dedicated Shiba Inu channels. So this is another article y'all can come check out. So, this is a major catalyst. A lot of people are waiting for this. Almost 200,000 people, in the cut waiting for that to happen. So y'all know we have reached almost 1 million followers on Shiba Inu on Twitter. So that's a major thing. We got a lot of people, on a basically that learning curve to find out what Shiba Inu is now. So basically this article again is just talking about more will Robinhood force crypto trading to go no fee. So this could be something very big, because Robinhood changed the game with stocks and becoming no fee, or allowing people to invest in stocks with no fees. But what they do is trade the order books. So for y'all that think it's no cost to y'all, it is a cost. They're letting the market makers know the trades that you're making. So that's how the market makers are able to manipulate even further. So keep that in mind. Remember, this is a crypto class. I try to really share some in-depth information with y'all and make sure y'all walk away with some gems at the end of this video. So sometimes they can be a little bit longer, but trust me, it'll always be worth it. So make sure you share this video, tag me on Twitter. Y'all know I might have something special for you, for the ones that always rock with me and go above and beyond, and really, represent for the community. So make sure you share this, tag me on Twitter. Also tag, people from the Shiba Inu community as well, so they can get these updates. So now Robinhood is expanding into its crypto business. The company said Wednesday it would soon start testing digital wallets, which let people spend, trade, and receive digital coins such as Bitcoin and Ether. The plan, which involves making the wallet widely available early next year, raises a question: could Robinhood force a similar fee-free shift in the world of crypto trading? The fact The fact that in crypto, people are still charging commissions on trading fees, that's insane. Christine Brown, Chief Operating Officer of Robinhood's crypto business, said on the stage at the Mainnet Crypto Conference in Manhattan on Wednesday. Indeed, many crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, and Kraken do charge fees, usually 1% of the amount to be purchased. So that's just something that we could see coming, man. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Know that, you know, these big institutions, they are not blind to what's happening right now. The market is shifting, you know, and right now, you know, we're a part of this shift. So make sure you learn as much as you can. Make sure you get your roots planted, build your foundation, you know. And if also, you know, y'all been telling me about skipping out on the book of the day. So, you know, I got to get back to this, you know, On Air, you know, by Katrina Cravey. This book is The Insider Secrets to Attract Media and Get Free Publicity. So, hey, check it out, man. Trust me. It's highly worth it. This book is available on Amazon. Also, if you want to develop a solid trading foundation, check out my book. The link to that is in the description section. Also, a lot of free crypto resources, free cryptocurrency, almost $2,000 in free crypto once you get in there, if you get lucky enough to get in there and get those links. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I'm trying to, you know, put everybody on so everybody can, you know, get some extra income. Whether it's another passive stream, whether it's residual, whether it's just, you know, for y'all that have been following me for over a year, you know, we were talking about stocks, and a lot of y'all are sitting on some dividend stocks. So whatever way that we got to do this, we'll also be talking about NFTs, real estate in the near future. So just, you know, stay tuned, man. We got a lot of things coming. So massive increase in Doge and Shiba Inu owners. This article I'll check out later. So yeah, just a lot of things going on right now with the market, man. You know, a lot of people excited right now with the potential for Shib. We got a lot of catalysts, but what I want y'all to know is buy the rumor, sell the news. Look at what's happening already. So we got a breakout outside of this trend that I had, this trend line I drew. We got a breakout outside of that, which is usually a bullish sign. But that was because of this news that we got from Twitter right here that pushed us to there. And you see, we resisted along this trend line here. So we didn't break out. So there's also, you know, there's resistance. There's resistance zones and trend resistance zones as well. So this could be a resistance zone at the top, but you notice how this is sloping right here. This is also a resistance zone in this area. So it tells us that the price will fight along this trend line. That's what that trend line means. So we had a breakout, which this is very bullish, and this could definitely, you know, could have continued and moved out. But what's happening is a doji is forming at the top of an uptrend. Doji candles, remember, what does that mean? For y'all that's been paying attention, y'all should be saying a doji candle a doji candle in a trend is likely to reverse the trend. So if you see an uptrend and a doji candle at the top of that uptrend, it's likely to go down. If you see a downtrend and you see a doji candle at the end of that downtrend, it's likely to go up. That's exactly what's happening right here. Now it gets a lot more complex than this, you know, in other you know, strategies and other candle patterns you could, you know, incorporate as well. Like we got so it's like a bullish flag could have, you know, we get a breakout right, you know, from that as well. Look at how much buy, you know, major buys came in right here. This signifies a lot of confidence came in. So that is forming basically a pole for this flag, which we get. I don't want to confuse y'all, because that's actually it's a little bit. It's not all the way. It's not a clean one, so I don't want to confuse y'all. But one thing I do want y'all to know is when we get massive news like this that came in today, Twitter now allowing people to tip in Bitcoin to push the market up like this, people will. We didn't even get a warning for that rumor, so people, you know, just bought in once they heard it. But now that the news is out, people will begin to sell off, I believe. So I believe we should break back into here. But what happened now, though, we went outside this trend. So now this is where I would not make a trade. I will wait for what's called confirmation. So I will wait for the next candle to form, you know, which we could look at a smaller time frame as well, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart as well. But I'm on a day chart. But on the day chart, I would wait for, you know, a confirmation to confirm which direction that we will be moving in. Is our breakout confirmed? Will we hold above this trend line here, which we might begin to make a support around this range and then start to break out up? Or will we break back under and continue down along this line right here? So I'm going to wait, you know, just to see what we get right here. Now, because of this being a doji candle at the top of this uptrend, I will say we should be moving back down. That's what the candles say. You know, this is not me just like, You know what I'm saying? I'm just going off what the candles are telling me, but this is only what's likely to happen. It's not guaranteed to happen, because if some type of catalyst comes in, like Twitter just announcing out of nowhere that they'll start allowing people to tip in Bitcoin. Imagine if they said, you know, we allow people to tip in Shib tomorrow. You know what that's going to do for the price? We going up. You know, so if something like that happens, I can't calculate that into my prediction. But, you know, just on what the candles are saying, we should be seeing some sell-off tomorrow. That's what I expect. So appreciate y'all for rocking with me again. Come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Do not forget to tune in Wednesday. Stay tuned in with the with my Twitter. I'll be making updates so y'all can, you know, get more information on that. But that's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and we are out.